Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the unit and confirming essential hardware is secure. Insert fresh or fully charged batteries and attach the search coil. Make sure the connector is tight. Once on, plug in headphones to hear signals clearly and set sensitivity low to avoid false alarms near metal structures. Make sure ground balance is on auto for first sweeps. Begin with slow, overlapping sweeps. You want consistent motion so the detector learns the site. This gets you into actionable detection immediately. Once the unit responds stably, gradually raise sensitivity in small increments so you reach maximum depth without chatter. Make sure to perform short, overlapping sweeps roughly half a meter wide and keep the coil 1 to 2 inches above ground. This preserves target response and depth. Change discrimination settings to filter out iron if you want modern trash removed, or use coin mode to favor valuable targets. Stay patient. Deliberate sweep technique. When you get a repeatable signal, mark it and perform a quick grid search to narrow the zone. Switch to pinpoint or use hinge dig method to expose the object. Dig carefully with a trowel and inspect the recovered item, then refill the hole to leave the site tidy. If signals are jumpy or false, reduce sensitivity, rerun ground balance, and relocate a few meters to confirm. These final steps finish the find, and the troubleshooting tip fixes the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.